Good afternoon, friends. Myself, Dr. Agarwal, Head Department of Forensic Medicine, University of Delhi. Today, I will like to talk about summons in a court of law. Why summons are served to doctors and how it is served and why they have to be attended. Summons are usually served to doctors while doing any medical legal work or clinical work where the law enforcing agencies think that there is need of the doctor to be called to verify whatever the statement they have given or whatever the prescriptions they have written. In these cases, doctors may be called in court of law. So, whenever the doctors are called in court of law due to any of the cases, maybe it a civil case or a criminal case, doctors are supposed to attend this court of law in a particular day, time and place where they have been called. They should abide by the law as an order, law abiding authorities, whatever the orders they have been given. If they fail to attend the court in a particular day and time, in a civil courts, they may have to pay the damages, whereas in criminal courts, they may be charged with the contempt of court. In all these cases, if you are unable to attend the court, it is always better to inform the court that due to these reasons, which has to be valid reasons, I may not be able to attend the court, and court usually thinks and takes these into cognizance and does not charge the doctors for these because they are usually the expert doctors. But sometimes the situation in such a way that the doctor wants to attend but cannot attend the court. Suppose if a doctor gets two summons on the same day and time, how will he attend? He or she will attend the court of law at a particular day and time in the same day in different courts. For this, there is a policy or guidelines I can say are there. One doctor has to attend first, given the priority to the criminal court as compared to civil court. When two summons are there, both from the criminal court, then higher court should be given preference over the lower court, and if both the summons are of the same status of court, first come first served basis should be used. In all these cases, it is the duty of the doctor to inform the other court, I am not able to attend the particular court, your court, because I have been served summons from the different court of same status, citing the actual reason why you are not able to attend the courts. Then the court will take cognizance of whatever you have said and will give you another date. If both the summons are there from the same complex in the court of the same date and time, then it will be better to attend both the summons, and one court can be asked, can be told that I will be coming after attending the first court, and then courts in these cases also sometimes take the cognizance. So, in nutshell, I can say that doctors, whenever the summons are served, should attend the court where they are the expert witness and they will help the authorities coming to a diagnosis and give the justice to the person. Thank you.